Hello, folks. Today, I want to show you the details that we sell for building your own Gwagon 6x6, just like the one we built 2 years ago. Let's get closer and see what I can offer you. So, we sell the body and the partition separately so that you can build it on your own at home, without the need to come to us if you're in America or any other country. You can follow our video instructions to build an exact replica. We have portal axles with Volvo C303, which is a slightly cheaper option compared to the differential locks from the German manufacturer Tibus. The maximum speed on these axles is 170, they are quiet and trouble-free. All 3 axles are working, and they have factory-installed differential locks. As you can see, we have a separate body, just like the original. There are no official versions of this kind of body, as G-Wagons were not built this way. The tires are original, and the rims are just like the original ones. Now, let's look at the parts that we can offer you. In this box, you'll find everything you need for this build. Let's take a look. We'll start with snorkels. These snorkels are in the style of Brabus. They are made of fiberglass and carbon fiber. Carbon fiber, I should remind you, can be made in any weave pattern. These snorkels have air intakes, and the brackets are powder-coated, so you won't have any issues with them. Moving on, we have factory-made electric side steps. We didn't make them ourselves, they have powerful motors and are fully insulated. They come with stainless steel pins, so you won't have any problems with them. The package includes an instruction manual and a control unit, along with all the necessary wiring. Black, lightweight, and aluminum. It's a good thing they're not metallic because they wouldn't fare well with salt in the winter. Next up is the front protection. This is a 4 mm thick stainless steel protection for the front bumper. The latches are removable, and they are factory mounted to the car. You can see that it's the same protection that you can choose when building the vehicle, just powder-coated in black matte paint. The rear tank protection is also made of stainless steel and powder-coated with black matte paint. We have an additional bumper that can be removed. It's an aluminum protection, also 4 mm thick, just like the original. Everything is well made and professionally designed. All the brackets are factory made and will match your vehicle's style perfectly. The polished stainless steel is gorgeous. You can see how well the ends are polished, with no rough edges or anything. The diameter of the pipe is the same as the original. This part is completely removable, and you can choose to install it with or without the pipes. Let's continue with the carbon fiber fender flares. I want to remind you that we can use any weave pattern or fabric you like, whether it's in the style of Mansory or forged carbon, and more. I'll tell you more about this a bit later. Now, let's talk about the metal parts from which you can weld the rear body. They are very affordable, and their proportions and shapes are exactly like the original. These parts include side panels, fender flares, and the rear door. You can fit and weld them to your vehicle yourself. We ship these components worldwide. Moving on to the wheels, they are just like the original ones. You can choose any color for the rims, and we can even make them in a specific style, like Brabus or Mercedes. They are extremely reliable, capable of withstanding a load of 1,200 kilograms per wheel. We've also tested them in off-road conditions ourselves. The hubcaps can be customized in any style, whether it's Mercedes, Brabus, and so on. Now, let's get closer to the body parts. We have a frame that you can cut to fit the rear part of your car. We provide a video tutorial that shows where to cut and how to weld the frame using our guidelines. The length of the frame is the same as the original. Here, there are attachments for shock absorbers, springs, cushions, a tow bar, a towing hook, bumper attachments, and there are also connections for the rear axle. The frame is sandblasted and coated with epoxy primer to prevent rust. The most crucial part of this project is the fully manufactured body. It's been sanded and completely primed, with gaps and all lines ready to go. It's a finished product, and the only thing left is to create some specific brackets at the bottom to make it fit your vehicle perfectly. These brackets are custom for every project and determine the alignment between the frame and the body. Let's continue to this side. All the contours and lines are identical to the original, with no differences. The angles and edges are smooth, and the upper roll bar, which we sell, is made of polished stainless steel. They're attached from the inside with sturdy bolts all around. The difference is that it connects the body and the partition separately. 4 big bolts are around here. These are the partitions, and we also sell the glass. You can see 3 pieces of glass here. The rear seal is included, and the fender flares, as I mentioned earlier, fit perfectly and are attached from the inside, just like the original. There are no differences. We also provide this trim piece. We give you partitions for the interior as well. This one covers the area under the glass, and there is a receiver for the roof antenna. The lower part can be wrapped in leather, and it will look just like the original. The tires are the original size, but we offer alternatives that are slightly cheaper, saving you around $200 per tire. All of this information, including photos and videos, will be available on our website, and I will include the prices in the description. These wheels are a replacement for the original tires. The tread pattern is slightly different, but the size is mostly the same as what's required for a 6x6. Let's move on to the rear roll bar. For a customer in America, we provided a black glossy one, but we can make it in black matte, glossy stainless steel, or matte stainless steel, whatever you prefer. The welds are all polished, and there are no imperfections. Have a look for yourself. Now, let's talk about the sun visor above the windshield. It's an entirely original visor from the original mold. We made matrix from the original. Take a look inside. It's specially designed to fit perfectly under the molding and so on. This is not a cheap Chinese product, it's very high quality. We also offer original LEDs from the Nolden company, which do not fog up or fade. As a reminder, we can make them in carbon or fiberglass, which is much more affordable. You can check out all of this on our website. Now, let me show you the portal axles and differential locks. Volvo axles with high-speed main gears for high-speed applications are available, along with models with ABS sensors. We also have stock axles, which we haven't modified in any way. These axles come with or without ABS sensors. These are portal axles from the German manufacturer Tybus. We are official dealers in Ukraine, and we had Tybus visit us.
Приветушки, ребята! Сегодня у нас гости из Германии. Тибус приехал к нам, и теперь у нас порталы будут по очень доступным ценам.
Yeah, hello. We have now our Ukrainian dealer, and it's him. And he will sell now our Tibus products, the portals, and for Ukraine he's the main dealer, the only dealer. And take care that you do not buy any copies or knockoffs from Tibus. He will sell you the correct ones in Ukraine. He is a partner for you in Ukraine.
Так что обращайтесь к нам, теперь порталы только у нас. Tibus.
He granted us the dealership, so be cautious of counterfeits. There are many copies being made these days. You should understand that people have been perfecting these differentials and carriers for 15 years. Someone copied them just to sell them, but issues will inevitably arise. These parts are crucial, and if the differential breaks, your vehicle won't move, it will get stuck. Therefore, we always keep our prices reasonable. We offer high-quality products that are identical to what you would purchase in Germany. Let's move on. Next up, we have a kit for the rear door and handle. The rubber, locks, and the complementary part of the hinge, all of it is original. The bolts are identical to the ones used in the original, and they are all zinc-coated. You won't encounter any issues with them. This handle is not homemade, it's a factory product, always in stock. Continuing to show you, here are the rear moldings. These are official and are positioned on the rear body, like so. There are 2 of them in this set, specifically the short moldings, fitting the rear fenders. Included in the package are spacers for the doors under the mirrors. These spacers are essential. For the 4x4 and the 6x6, they are the same. These spacers are rubber gaskets that fit into the door slots. They are identical to the original ones and are used under the flares on the fenders. Also, you'll find carbon and fiberglass components, including 3 pieces of glass in the kit. 2 of these glasses fit into the rubber on the sides, while the third is glued onto the rear wall. Moving on, we have the LED lights which can be installed in the visor on the lower lip of the front mask. These lights are available in both black and chrome finishes. Now, let's take a look at the deck. This is a deck plate that is incredibly durable, unaffected by sunlight, snow, or any weather conditions. It's available in 2 colors, one lighter like the original and a slightly darker option. You can choose whichever suits your preference. Next, we have the springs. These springs are unique and can't be found anywhere else. I personally went to Dubai and measured various dimensions. These springs provide the exact ride height as the original ones. As for the shocks, we offer a range of factory-installed shocks. We have different options, including both high-end and more budget-friendly choices. Our goal is to strike a balance that provides a comfortable ride, especially on our challenging roads. You can find shocks from brands like King, Fox, and more, but the ones we offer provide the best combination of comfort and cost-effectiveness. Additionally, we have some extra treats for your G-Wagon. You can find stainless steel sill plates for the doors, giving a stylish matte black finish. These plates have the Brabus emblem and fit both the 6x6 and 4x4 models. You can also get a VIN code, and we can accommodate various lighting options. Furthermore, you can add Brabus 6x6 logos. For those looking to enhance the appearance of their G-Wagon, we have various options available. You can get side emblems like Biturbo in glossy black or matte black, suitable for both the 6x6 and 4x4 models. We also offer Brabus or MG logos for your seat's headrests. If you're interested in upgrading your front grille to a 700 style grille, we have that as well. Another interesting modification we offer is a mask that looks like it's from 2013 or 2015. This modification fits vehicles with instrument clusters from 2001 to 2013, and for the original 2007 to 2010 models. This mask is easy to install. You simply snap it into place over your instrument cluster, instantly giving it a more modern appearance. You can also customize the instrument cluster's backlight and dials as per your preferences. For more details, you can check our website. This is for American client in miles with carbon ad. Moreover, for our American clients and Brabus enthusiasts, we offer carbon fiber accents and more. We have carbon fiber hood overlays in the style of Brabus and additional overlays designed for the new Brabus look. If you have an older G-Wagon model, such as the 2005 G500, we have mirror cap overlays available in carbon fiber. We also have what we call G-Wagon gills. These are the accents on the front fenders, known as gills, that are found on Brabus and other custom G-Wagons. These carbon fiber overlays give your vehicle a sleek and sporty appearance. We also offer carbon fiber overlays for the rear air ducts, a lightweight and sleek carbon fiber dome for the front bumper, and carbon fiber inserts for the front bumper, all in the Brabus style. As I showed you before, there are many carbon fiber options available on our website for you to explore. You may be wondering about our shipping. We offer worldwide delivery to any location. We have various packaging options available for different destinations. For example, for customers in the United States and Canada, we have these large boxes. These boxes are spacious and can fit in your vehicle's rear compartment. We take great care to pack all the components securely. Inside the box, you'll find items such as springs and carbon fiber products. We use a combination of cardboard and foam to ensure that everything arrives in perfect condition without any damage during shipping. Rest assured, we have tested and verified our shipping methods to guarantee that your products will arrive safely and intact. In summary, I've shown you everything we have to offer. We always keep items in stock and ready for immediate purchase. You can reach out to us by phone or email, and I personally handle all inquiries. You won't be dealing with managers or customer service representatives. We pride ourselves on selling only through our official links to avoid any scams or counterfeit products. Rest assured, when you purchase from us, you're getting genuine items. Regarding shipping, we provide worldwide delivery to any location. We've sent numerous shipments, including containers to the United States and Canada, and we have had no issues with international deliveries. Whether you're in the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, or any other part of the world, we can get your order to you safely and efficiently. You can check the number of shipments we have processed this week and see the international destinations we've served. We ensure your order reaches you promptly and in excellent condition. For more information and to explore our product range, you can visit our two websites, the English version and the Russian version. These specially designed boxes, which we've packed to ensure the safety of your cargo, contain a variety of products, including 6x6 conversion kits and numerous carbon fiber components. What makes these boxes so reliable is the sturdy wooden construction with internal reinforcement beams, along with rigid foam insulation. Even if the box experiences some rough handling, nothing inside will be damaged. This container is bound for the United States and will be sent via sea freight. The shipping time is approximately 1.5 months, which is a reasonable time frame for international delivery. Many of our customers have already received their orders, and they are busy building and customizing their vehicles using our high-quality components.